entrepreneur, but don't know where to start, just getting stuck in the thought of where to go. Well, I know exactly how you feel. It wasn't all that long ago where I was really feeling very stressed and overwhelmed about my financial future. And it isn't something that comes easy to some people. But I think the reason behind that is because you don't have the right system, you don't have a step-by-step guide, and you definitely don't have the support that you need. Often we start things and we're left on our own, but you won't be left alone in this. So if you're looking to build your freedom fund to create your legacy and need some help to get started, then I'm definitely able to help you with that. If that's you, just comment info below and I'll be sure to give you the details so that you can look at something and make an informed decision. And I'm here to answer any questions for you that you have along the way.